Welcome to our channel. Erica is Bank of America's virtual financial assistant that helps you manage your accounts, track spending, and get personalized financial guidance through the mobile app. Step 1. Download and install the Bank of America mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 2. Log into your account using your online ID and passcode. Step 3. Locate the Erica button, typically shown as a colorful icon at the bottom of your screen or in the app menu. Step 4. Tap on the Erica icon to open a chat interface where you can type or speak your questions. Step 5. Try basic commands like show my checking account balance or what did I spend on groceries last month. Step 6. Use Erica to find transactions by saying something like show me all transactions at Starbucks or find my last ATM withdrawal. Step 7. Ask Erica for your credit score by typing what's my credit score if you have a Bank of America credit card. Step 8. Set up customized spending insights by asking Erica to track specific categories or alert you to unusual activity. Step 9. Use Erica to pay bills by saying, pay my credit card bill and following the prompts. Step 10. Get personalized financial tips and reminders from Erica about upcoming bills, low balances, or savings opportunities. Step 11. Explore Erica's proactive notifications, which provide helpful information about your accounts without you having to ask. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.